Welcome to our video, Top 10 Unique Gadgets. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 10. Okupa Work Lights. This multifunctional flashlight is a true lifesaver in any setting, featuring a 3-gear lighting system that mimics the warmth of the sun, ensuring visibility without disturbing nearby wildlife. With its red warning light, you can signal danger in emergencies. But it doesn't stop there. It's a true multitasker, combining bottle opening, cigarette lighting, a cutting knife, a survival whistle, and a pen clip. Lightweight at only 70 grams, it's incredibly portable, while the waterproof design ensures it's ready for any weather. Plus, the built-in large-capacity battery ensures long-lasting performance for all your outdoor adventures. Number 9. Retekus TR110. This portable all-wave radio receiver is a must-have for radio enthusiasts and adventurers, covering WFM, SWCB, NOAA weather alerts, and even aviation bands. It's a powerhouse of connectivity. Its modern DSP digital demodulation technology ensures top-notch reception and clarity, while the LCD display provides useful information like squelch state, temperature, and frequency. With the ability to store up to 1,000 stations, you'll never miss your favorite broadcasts. Compact and reliable, this radio is perfect for backpacking or emergency preparedness. Number 8. Okupa hand warmers. Keep your hands cozy in any weather with these rechargeable hand warmers. Sold as a pair, they feature a magnetic design for convenient portability. With up to 16 hours of warmth and 4 adjustable heat levels, you can customize the temperature to suit your needs. Perfect for outdoor activities or simply keeping warm during colder months, these hand warmers are a practical and thoughtful companion. Number 7. Senuapu T15R1. Revolutionizing personal care, this smart visual ear cleaner doubles as an acne removal tool. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and IP67 waterproof design, it offers clear visuals for precise cleaning. The compact and ergonomic build ensures easy handling, while the accompanying app lets you monitor everything in real time. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to smarter grooming. Number 6. Electric Pulse Lighter. Combining functionality with stress relief, this double arc lighter is a modern marvel. Its Type-C fast charging ensures quick recharges, while the windproof design makes it reliable outdoors. What sets it apart is its built-in spinning gyro, perfect for moments when you need to decompress. Encased in a durable mecha alloy shell, it's a gadget for the modern man that seamlessly blends utility and entertainment. Number 5. 70mm Dashcam. Say goodbye to blind spots with this industry-first 360-degree full-view dashcam. The 70mm Dashcam is equipped with HDR technology for unparalleled low-light performance, ensuring crystal-clear footage even at night. Built-in GPS and AI motion detection keep you informed of any suspicious activity or collisions, with instant notifications sent to your phone. The eMMC storage eliminates the need for external memory cards, providing seamless and reliable recording. With voice control and ADAS features, it's a tech-savvy driver's best friend. Number 4. Ho Electric Drill. This 12-volt electric drill is more than just a power tool. It's an entire toolbox in one compact kit. Complete with a needle nose plier, hammer, and a variety of bits, it's perfect for home installations and repairs. Designed for ease of use and durability, this kit makes DIY projects simpler and more efficient. Whether you're assembling furniture or fixing appliances, this toolset has you covered. Number 3. Senuapu Subwoofer. Upgrade your car audio system without sacrificing space. The Senuapu car subwoofer fits seamlessly into your spare tire, delivering clean, powerful bass without crowding your trunk. Its plug-and-play installation makes it user-friendly, while the reverse mounting design and ultra-clean low-frequency sound enhance your driving experience. Say goodbye to unnecessary noise and hello to a concert-quality audio experience on the go. Number 2. Norse mythology mugs. Celebrate your love for mythology with these stunning Viking-inspired beer mugs. Crafted from polyresin and lined with stainless steel, these mugs are not only beautiful but also practical. Each hand-painted mug is a unique piece of art, perfect for drinking beer, coffee, or juice. With a 20-ounce capacity and intricate Nordic designs, they're ideal for collectors or as thoughtful gifts. Hand wash only to preserve their exquisite craftsmanship. Number 1. Texas Poker Mat. Turn your home into a professional gaming arena with this durable poker mat. Whether it's Texas Hold'em, Blackjack, or Baccarat, this mat provides a smooth surface for all your card games. Made from high-quality rubber, it ensures durability and comfort, while the non-slip base keeps it securely in place. Perfect for game nights or casual play, this mat transforms any table into a casino-worthy setup. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.